you're looking for more specific and technical explanation for the GoPro, you came into the wrong channel. Yeah, because I just wanted to unbox this. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Christel. To the newcomers, welcome. To the old timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi guys, how have you been? I hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing because why not? So I bought this GoPro Black 9 online, yeah, and we're gonna be unboxing this. Yay! Anyway, if you're looking for more specific and technical explanation for the GoPro, you came into the wrong channel. Yeah, because I just wanted to unbox this. Okay? I'm so excited because it's been sitting here in our house for a few days now and I couldn't open it because I need to make an unboxing video. So, let's open up this box. So this is the box, guys. Been sitting here for I think 5 days. Yeah. It took a while for me to make a video. So, I bought it online because it's so much cheaper. Yes, I went to Funan Mall. The last price they're giving me is 580 Singapore dollars, but this one from the GoPro website only 530 Singapore dollars, and they have a lot of freebies. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it from GoPro online. So here is the box. No idea how to open the box. Oh my god. Okay, fine. I just ripped the box. Okay, wow, look at that. Okay, that's the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And they give me some papers. So it's probably the receipt, right? Oh, no, it's not the receipt, it's just a paper, it's like a filler. Okay, so it's protected. It's nicely packaged. They even have a plastic for this. So yeah, I'm so excited. So, fun fact, I never had a GoPro before. So this is my first ever GoPro because why not? So this is the box. GoPro Hero 9. Okay, let's open up the packaging. So you just need to rip that carton. Well, it's so simple. So this is probably the GoPro. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, that's the whole set. Look at that. Wow. That looks fancy. And then they give you all this. So this is one of the freebies. So I get a 32 gig memory card. That's one of the freebies for the 530 Singapore dollar package. And also I get a 1-year membership with GoPro Online. So this is how you set it up. They give you a free sticker. And these are all the questions. They give you this. So I suppose this is the handle, right? So you do it like this. And then you can go around and I can go vlogging with this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, maybe this is a good camera for vlogging. I saw some reviews about this that it's actually nice. I bought this GoPro Hero 9. I think it came out 7 months ago or something. And yeah, I was like, is that the latest? They said that's the latest. Actually, they have the other one, the Max, but for me, it's very different. It looks more like a camera, like it's square. I want to have the feel of the real GoPro. So they give me all this stuff. I have no idea what these things are. I think this is for mounting or something, right? Yeah, it looks like this one goes with this one. I have no idea. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna mount that later. So what is this? So this is probably the charger. Looks like it. And this is like a magnetic clip. Oh, there. That's very tight. And there's a magnet. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, so also on the package, the 530 Singapore dollars, they give me an extra battery. So it's not a bad deal online. I think it's so much better to buy online because I went to the electronic shop in Funan. I was like, wow, 580, and then I showed them online I can buy for only 530, guys. So I'm buying online. So, and you know, the 580 they don't have anything free. So buying GoPro online. So I have 2 batteries. And yes, this is the Wow. I like this one because they said it's touchscreen. It's very modern from all the GoPro I've seen from my friends. Because I told you I never had a GoPro. And they said this is a good vlogging camera, so maybe I should vlog with this one. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love it. So let's take out the paper. So it's wrapped with the paper, guys. My very first GoPro. Let's see if my vlogging improves with this GoPro. I saw in the review that there's a voice activation with this one. Like you can say like GoPro, take a picture. Love it. Nice. So how do we put the battery? It said open this up so I can put the battery. There you go. That was a bit tight. Oh, like that. Okay, then I'm gonna put the battery here. So I have two here. Oh my god, what if this GoPro is not working? Okay, looks like it's like this. Okay, it's in. And you can just take it off like this. Okay. And I'm gonna put the memory card. Where is it? I think I'm just gonna cut. Hey, I got that memory card. So this is only 32K. I think I need a bigger one. I'm gonna be making some video vlogs, so I'm just gonna put the memory card. So we're just gonna insert that. Okay, it's in. Okay, so they said this is where the charger is. Okay, it's in. So memory card and the battery is in, guys. Yeah. Okay, now let's see if it's gonna on. If not, then it means that the GoPro is not working. That's the power. That's a funny sound. Yes. Welcome to GoPro Hero. Oh my god, look at that. There's a graphic in front. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, let's choose this English. And oh my god, it's touchscreen. Wow. By using this GoPro, I agree. Okay, I agree, guys. I have to set it up and install it on my phone, but guys, I'm happy to tell you it's working. So, oh my god, there's a screen in the front and there's a screen at the back and it's touchscreen. Wow, I think this GoPro is very modern. Okay, I'm gonna go to the app, but I can't do that now because I'm using my phone. Yeah. Okay, I connected it. And now it's working. Look at that. That's me. Hi. Oh my god, I can see my face in the front here. It's so nice. Oh my god. Say hello to my new toy. My vlogging toy. It's quite nice. Really nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And yeah, I need to charge it. Let's try to use it as a selfie camera. Your phone to control this GoPro. Oh my god, it's so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna off this now because we don't need it now. How do you off it? Bye. Oh my god, so that's it. I unboxed this. I told you if you're looking for specifications and technical stuff about GoPro, this is not the channel for you because I just wanted to unbox this stuff. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Okay guys, you were the first one to see this GoPro, okay? Can't wait to use it, really. Yeah, anyway, this is it, Pansit. You've seen the GoPro, guys. And yeah, it's time for me to actually explore this product. I think